To the very latest on Hurricane Ian, the powerful storm swamped southwest Florida and is threatening catastrophic damage further inland. What you're looking at is a time lapse of the storm surge in Sanibel. Meteorologist Jim Cantori from our partners at the Weather Channel found out firsthand just how strong this storm is.
It just came flying by. All right, you know what? I think I'm just going to come in here for a second.
Yeah, that was this afternoon in Punta Gorda. We are happy to report that Jim is okay. I'm not sure I'd hold on to that. Wow. Well, the images we are seeing from Florida are just unbelievable.
That they are. So much of the state is being impacted by Hurricane Ian. Chief Meteorologist Kate Bilo is back now with the latest on Ian and our next weather forecast. Kate?
And what's so interesting is that to the south of where Ian came on shore, that's where you're seeing that storm surge flooding. That's where you're seeing homes and cars floating in the streets. North of there, that's where you're seeing the heaviest rain. We've had reports of over a foot of rain north of the center of Ian, and everywhere dealing with those whipping winds. We had extreme wind warnings issued with this storm in Florida, and those continue this evening, even as Ian weakens to a Category 1 hurricane. It is not over yet. Ian only about halfway through the state of Florida. This is going to continue through most of the day tomorrow as well. In our area, it has been a quiet, tranquil week, and it stays that way tonight. Right now, it's 54 degrees in Philadelphia. Just a few patchy clouds. It's cool. It's quiet for now. Tomorrow looks like a really nice day, although I think we are going to start noticing some cloud bands, some clouds increasing, just high clouds starting to stream in advance of Ian tomorrow afternoon. Otherwise, it is mostly sunny, 71 degrees, a beautiful day, and no chance of precipitation. But that's all going to change as we head into Saturday, possibly even by Friday night, especially south of the city. We may see the chance for some showers, but Saturday is going to be the focus of when Ian's moisture gets here. So here's Storm Scan 3 right now. Not much going on locally, but here is Ian continuing to dump intense amounts of rainfall, basically from Fort Myers up toward Orlando and Daytona Beach right now. And you can see how far north the clouds have already gotten with this storm. The problem is it's not going to head out to sea. It's going to loop back inland and stay close basically for the next several days. Just a few storm reports. We had a wind gust of 75 miles per hour just around 9:30 this evening in inland parts of Florida. And take a look at this rain where you see that dark blue shading. That's over 8 inches of rain that has already fallen, and it is still raining. Locally, the heaviest rain we see with Ian will be on Saturday, but lingering showers Sunday and Monday. And some of the models are kind of hinting that part of Ian, part of that low, is going to move off the coast and almost try to redevelop next week. Will likely stay offshore, but that is certainly something to watch. For our region, this is Thursday. Tomorrow, 10 p.m., you can see some high clouds starting to move in. Friday is a mostly cloudy, cool day, but the rain holds off until late Friday. Here's 5 p.m. I think the heaviest rainfall is right about here, Saturday morning. Look at this big batch of rain lifting through right here through about 10 a.m. and then it starts to push east by Saturday afternoon, leading to just some scattered showers as we get into Sunday and Monday. So we have issued a next weather alert day for Saturday for pockets of heavy rain. The heaviest looks to be south and east of the city, but we have to really watch the track of that low to see exactly where the heaviest rain will set up. A few showers around for the Eagles game. Showers may linger into early next week. It stays chilly as well, with highs only in the low 60s as that rain comes through. Yuki, back over to you.
Okay, Kate, thanks.